Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove color from specific pages in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to remove the color from a specific page. Firstly, enable the pages section. Go to the window menu and select the pages option. And we can see here show the all pages very easily. Now we want to remove the color from specific page. Select this page and go to the layer section, and we can see here the master page. Then select the master page and press delete on our keyboard, otherwise press the delete option and check the all pages. We can see we remove the page color from specific pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.